you tell me this?
I've just turned it on.
Come on, Finn. Come on. Come here. Come on. Come here. Come on, Finn. Come here. Come on.
Come on, Finn.
Come on.
Come on, come on.
Here. Come on.
Finn. Come on.
Oh.
Come out.
That's a funny noise. Come on. Come on, Finn.
Come on, Finn.
Get out. Come on. Get out. You can jump out of that.
I don't think he's ever coming out. Come on.
He thinks he can't get out, doesn't he?
Someone's gonna have to lift him.
I get him out now.
Come on, Finn. Come on. What a biscuit.
You're Bicky. How about a walkie? Come on.
Walkies.
Come on.
Walkies. Come on.
Yes, he thinks he can't get out, doesn't he?
Thinks he
You
can.
can get out. You can
Come
get
on,
out.
it'll be easy for you, Finn.
Come here.
Come on, come on, Finn.
Come on. Yay! Yay! That's virtually 2 minutes of the dog trying to get out of a box.
Dog versus box, is it?
I want it to fall on him.
Punching holes in it, is he?
Sit. Sit. Stay.
Down.
Down. Stay. 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 Stay.
It's not right. He looks like he's seen something in there, but he hasn't. There's a little rip on the inside. There's a little like rip with some like a whole bunch there.
I've just hoovered, Finn.
Finn,
Get him out of it.
you in the box?
Come here.
You in the box?
Come on. Come on, then. Come here. Come on.
Timmy,
Out of the box.
Scoop her.
what are you doing? What are you doing?
Come on, then. Come on. Fimby.
Is he gonna get stuck again?
Come on. Come here. Come here.
Come on.
Come on.
Finn, sit.
This is the strangest thing. Finn, sit.
He ignored me.
He's trying to chew his way out, isn't he?
Finn, sit.
Good boy.
Oh,
You clever boy.
he really isn't. He's
Good
really,
boy. Come here.
he's really not very bright.
Come on. Come on. He's a good boy. Come on, Finn. Come here. Come on.
Go on then. Come here.
Just going through his little head.